The battle for smartphone supremacy is heating up, with artificial intelligence at the forefront. Google has just unveiled its Pixel 9, a device that promises to redefine the smartphone experience. But can it truly challenge Apple's dominance in the AI arena? Let's dive into how the Pixel 9 aims to give Apple a run for its money. Google's new Pixel 9. Google's Pixel 9 is the company's most advanced tool in its rivalry with Apple, especially when it comes to artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities. At the heart of the Pixel 9 is the Tensor G4, Google's latest custom-designed chip, purpose-built for AI and machine learning tasks. The G4 builds on the foundations of its predecessors by further optimizing performance for complex AI computations, especially in real-time scenarios like natural language processing, image recognition, and predictive analytics. The added 12 GB of RAM ensures that these tasks run smoothly, allowing for real-time enhancements and features that push the boundaries of what smartphones can do. One of the key advantages of the Tensor G4 is its ability to harness Google's AI ecosystem, particularly through Gemini, the company's advanced AI model that powers many of the device's smart features. Gemini brings cutting-edge AI abilities such as predictive text, context-aware responses, and more intuitive Google Assistant interactions. Additionally, the Pixel 9 benefits from deep integration with Google's broader AI tools, such as Google Lens, real-time translation, and advanced camera features like improved night sight and motion tracking, which utilize AI-driven algorithms to enhance photography. Apple Intelligence, Apple's forthcoming suite of AI and machine learning services, is expected to be a significant competitor, aiming to bring AI to a wide array of devices, including iPhones, iPads, and Macs. However, there are several challenges that Apple faces as it seeks to roll out these new features. While Apple Intelligence is positioned as a powerful AI platform, it may initially struggle to compete with the capabilities of Google's Gemini and platforms like ChatGPT. The primary reason for this is the vast experience and resources that Google and OpenAI have invested in their AI models. Google, in particular, has been embedding AI into its products for years, refining and optimizing its models for diverse tasks, from search algorithms to real-time data analysis. Apple is relatively new to this field, and while its AI integration will undoubtedly be polished and user-friendly, it may not immediately match the depth and flexibility offered by Google. Furthermore, Apple faces a big issue in compatibility. One of Apple's greatest strengths is its vast ecosystem of devices, particularly the millions of iPhones in circulation. However, this strength is also a limitation when rolling out AI features that require huge processing power and compatibility across various models. Not all iPhones currently in use will be able to fully support the high-end AI features that Apple Intelligence promises. Older devices in particular may lack the necessary hardware to run advanced AI computation smoothly, leading to a fragmented experience for users across Apple's ecosystem. Now, Apple's much-anticipated Apple Intelligence platform, which was expected to leverage its expansive iPhone user base, has hit an unexpected snag. While there was hope that Apple Intelligence could be rolled out across older models like the iPhone 13 and 14 via iOS 18, the reality has been quite different. Currently, only the iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and the upcoming iPhone 16 will support Apple Intelligence. For users still on older models, Apple Intelligence remains out of reach, effectively delaying widespread adoption until they upgrade to newer devices. This development represents a significant missed opportunity for Apple. Had the company been able to offer Apple Intelligence on the millions of iPhone 13 and 14 models currently in use, it would have instantly gained a massive advantage over rivals like Google, even if its AI technology is still catching up in some areas. Instead, the limited availability gives Google a window to strike back with the Pixel 9. Pixel 9, capitalizing on Apple's transition. Google is fully aware of these potential pain points for Apple and is using them to its advantage with the Pixel 9. By delivering a device with the latest AI capabilities, supported by the Tensor G4's specialized architecture, Google positions itself as the go-to choice for users who prioritize cutting-edge AI features. The Pixel 9 is designed to be future-proof, ensuring that as AI evolves, The device can continue to deliver a premium experience without the need for frequent hardware upgrades. Moreover, the Pixel 9's integration with Google's cloud infrastructure and its access to Gemini's latest updates give it a strategic edge. Google's continuous improvement and refinement of AI features, from natural language understanding to predictive personalization, allow the Pixel 9 to stay ahead of competitors. For instance, while Apple Intelligence may offer an impressive range of functionalities, Google's ability to directly control and update its AI features across the Pixel line gives it the agility needed to adapt quickly to user feedback and technological advancements. The new Pixel 9 series, ranging from the $899 base model to the $1,799 Pixel 9 Pro Fold, is more than just a refresh. These devices bring big upgrades across the board, positioning the Pixel lineup as the iPhone of Android, offering the flagship experience Android users deserve. The design and build quality of the Pixel 9 series, combined with cutting-edge features, clearly indicate Google's intent to stand out, not only among Android devices, but also in direct comparison to Apple's iPhones. Unlike Apple's phased rollout of Apple Intelligence, Google is ensuring that all Gemini AI features are available from day one, allowing Pixel 9 users to immediately benefit from advancements like enhanced real-time translation, predictive AI photography, and context-aware voice interactions. The mid-August reveal of the Pixel 9 series, earlier than Google's typical October timeline, is a calculated move. Google wanted its AI-focused devices on store shelves and in the hands of consumers well before Apple's new models hit the market. This timing not only builds momentum for Google's Gemini AI, but also allows it to control the narrative in the lead-up to Apple's annual September event. The Pixel market share. The launch of the Pixel 9 series could be a turning point for Google in its ongoing competition with Apple, especially in the premium smartphone market. Historically, the Pixel line has struggled to gain a significant market share, even during years when the demand for smartphones was high. Despite offering impressive software features, the Pixel series has consistently lagged behind the iPhone in terms of sales, largely due to limited availability, weaker brand recognition, and competition from other Android brands. However, with the Pixel 9, Google is adopting a different strategy by expanding its market reach significantly. By making the Pixel 9 available in more countries than ever before, Google is trying to capture a larger slice of the global premium smartphone market. The AI capabilities offered by Gemini in the Pixel 9 could be a game changer in this context. With its superior AI performance, the Pixel 9 levels the playing field and even gives Google an edge in some areas. Buyers interested in integrating AI into their daily mobile experience may be swayed by the fact that Gemini offers an immediate and comprehensive suite of features, from advanced photo editing to real-time language translation and contextual voice assistance. This advantage is particularly relevant in the premium market segment, where users are more likely to spend extra on cutting-edge technology. Google is now in a unique position where it can target not only loyal Android users, but also potential iPhone switchers. If it can successfully market the Pixel 9's AI capabilities as being superior and more accessible than Apple's offering, some iPhone owners may be tempted to make the switch, especially those who want cutting-edge AI features without waiting for Apple to expand its rollout. The key lies in convincing these buyers that the Pixel 9 offers an AI experience that justifies the move. While it's still a tough battle, the fact that the Pixel 9 series is available in more markets, coupled with the strength of Gemini AI, gives Google a fighting chance. In a world where AI is becoming a primary factor in buying decisions, the Pixel 9's capabilities could set the tone for the next phase of the Google versus Apple rivalry. Future direction. Google's window of opportunity might be narrow if Apple can quickly improve and expand Apple Intelligence. It could regain the upper hand. However, for now, Google's strategic timing and aggressive push into the AI space give it an edge that it hasn't had in previous years. The success of the Pixel 9 plan could have far-reaching implications for Google's future in the smartphone industry, particularly in shaping consumer expectations and cementing Google's reputation as a leader in AI-driven mobile experiences. If the Pixel 9 lineup does resonate with buyers and delivers strong sales figures, Google will find itself under significant pressure to continue innovating at a high level. Future Pixel devices will need to consistently meet or exceed these elevated expectations, particularly in terms of AI features, performance, and seamless integration across the Android ecosystem. However, there are no guarantees that Google's plan will yield immediate success. Despite the potential appeal of Gemini AI and the strategic advantage of launching ahead of Apple's iPhone 16, Pixel sales have historically struggled, and this could continue. Many factors could impede Google's ambitions, such as brand loyalty among iPhone users, marketing challenges, and the dominance of other Android manufacturers like Samsung, which still command larger market shares. In anticipation of this, Google's backup plan is already in motion, a fundamental reworking of Android with AI at its core. This transformation, announced at Google I/O 2024, emphasizes how deeply AI will be embedded into every facet of the Android experience. This shift is essential because while the Pixel line represents Google's ideal vision of a smartphone, the broader Android ecosystem involves multiple manufacturers and devices with varying levels of hardware capability. By making AI central to Android itself, Google ensures that key Gemini features can influence more devices, even beyond the Pixel series. Still, the Pixel line remains Google's most crucial asset in this battle. It's the only environment where Google can fully control the hardware-software integration and deliver the most refined Gemini AI experience. The tight integration in the Pixel devices gives Google a unique edge. It can fine-tune Gemini's features, update them frequently, and directly respond to user feedback. This level of control allows Google to experiment and push the boundaries of what AI can do in ways that might be more challenging in the broader Android ecosystem. The looming threat, however, is Apple's Siri evolution. Once Siri gets the significant AI upgrade that Apple is undoubtedly working toward, the iPhone's deep integration within the Apple ecosystem will start conditioning users to favor Apple's AI over competitors. Apple's influence over its vast user base could make it difficult for Google to convert users to the Pixel, even if Gemini AI remains ahead in terms of capabilities. As the battle between Google and Apple intensifies, it's clear that AI will be a critical battleground. The Pixel 9 represents Google's most formidable weapon in this fight, offering performance, versatility, and innovation that challenges Apple's hold on the market. In the years ahead, this competition will likely push both companies to innovate further, but for now, the Pixel 9 sets a high bar for what a truly AI-driven smartphone can achieve. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.